Good morning, Miss Berg.
Good morning, Mrs. Fuzzy. It's an exciting day here today at Northwoods. Do you know why?
Why?
It's our first big school supply pickup, so we have about 600 bags in the library right now.
It's very organized,
It's
is what I'm
very
hearing.
organized, and everyone has a bag with their name on it. There's math manipulatives, there's some art stuff, there's, I don't know, notes from teachers, work to do.
And there's library books, so don't forget to check out your library books.
Well, yeah, but you had to have done that by now.
I know, but I'm saying for next time.
Yes, because we have another pickup on the 18th.
Yep, every other week we're going to be doing it.
Here's another exciting thing.
What's that?
There's a tree. It's not a real tree. It's a paper tree in the entryway of the school because we're going to have some information coming out next week about the giving tree. You weren't here last year, but are you familiar with the giving tree?
I am aware.
So we at Northwoods decided to only have two things we were going to give because it got too complicated.
Okay.
So we have people bring in pajamas and socks. No, is it socks or it's socks? Pajamas and socks. I thought it was mittens, but it's pajamas and socks.
I like that.
And then we deliver them to Interfaith
Awesome.
or to the Goodwill or to somewhere to help kids in need for the winter break. So that more information will be coming out about that too.
Good. Things to think about and prepare as you're doing your holiday shopping.
Virtually, maybe.
Yes.
All right.
All right, let's go. So we're going to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. And the first thing I want to say is I made a mistake last week.
No way.
I did. Last week, we watched Miss Lee's Group A Kids that was created by Aditi and Kashvi.
Yes.
Today, we're going to watch the B Kids. And we need to tell Rohan and Bonnie and Isha and Pranav thank you. So I don't even know if I have it right now, but I'm pretty sure I do.
I make about at least 10 mistakes before I even walk in the door. So if you've made a mistake, Mrs. Fuzzy, I believe the Northwoods community will forgive you.
Right. So it's just recognizing my mistake and moving forward. So here we go. Here is the group.
I love the pink.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
That was great.
It was great. What's next, Mrs. Fuzzy?
All right, let's see. Birthdays.
Go team.
All right, November 24th, we're going back to before Thanksgiving, I believe. We had Natalie and Muscab. The 25th, we had Eliana.
On the 26th, we had Brody.
27th, Raina and Thomas.
On the 29th, we had Emmanuel and Liam.
The 1st, so this week now, Sohal, Mackenzie, and Michaela.
Jack, I didn't even know it was your birthday on December 2nd.
And December 5th, that's tomorrow. We have Guna and Max from Miss Keen's class, Cassidy and Tanisha. Uh-oh, I missed some pictures. Look, I made a mistake. Should we start over?
No. We'll find the pictures and we'll post them again.
Wow, I missed Charles, Sophia, and Adrit. Look at, there's more mistakes. So here's the Pack Pride, and I'm being accountable for my mistakes right now. So let's do this. Perseverance, push through challenges and show control. We have Brielle, Josh, Pranav, and Camden. Way to go, Pack Pride.
We have Lily, Scarlett, Ashrith, and Sharista. Say it.
Sharista.
Showing perseverance as well.
And more perseverance, we have Layla, Kevin, and Tia.
And showing accountability, we have Hannah and Blake.
As well as Lauren, Advika, and Harper.
Riley, Anish, and Allie.
And community. So much community. Ashley, Rayan, and Nandita. As well as Bodhi and Eloise. And these two are from the preschool. So we got some pride, Pack Pride from our preschool kids. So way to go.
You can show community when you're 4.
You can.
That's awesome.
And you can when you're older too. Because we have Pahul, Thomas, and Anishka.
And showing kindness, Madeline, Isabel, and Eddie.
As well as Maisie and Rohan. All right, that's it.
Have a great week, Mrs. Fuzzy.
You too. Way to show your pack pride as we transition and do this distance learning. I think people are doing really well, and we're impressed.
We are so impressed because we have amazing people. Should we do the howl, Mrs. Fuzzy? You don't howl enough. I think we should work on that for 2021. Ready?
All right.
Ow!